Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're looking at something very different from what we generally look at. Now if you remember, if you're a long time viewer on the channel, you may remember Aircraft Vacuum sent me the Pilot Max, which was a robot vacuum. Now this is their latest and greatest offering. This is a floor cleaner. Now obviously something a bit different from what you'd usually expect, but they did want me to look at one, and I think they're an amazing company, so I thought we would. So this is a bit more technology orientated than just your usual floor cleaner. So what we're going to do in this one is give you an unboxing and give you a little overview of what you could expect. We are using the 2 camera angles again, so you can see what I'm up to. Let me know what you think of this style as well. I always appreciate you guys' feedback. So we'll get into it. So this is the PowerGlide is available in black and white. If you know me, then obviously I'm going to go for the black. It is actually now an option on the Pilot Max as well, black one. As much as I've asked them, they haven't sent me one yet, so I think it must have got lost in the post. So I'm going to use this little side as a cheat sheet because it actually has all the specs and things on it. So it's a cordless, obviously cleaner with a machine washable pads. You've got a button to spray out the liquid with the built-in tank that it's got built in. You can use water, or you can use, a dedicated floor cleaner product. You literally just pour it straight in, which is oh so convenient. It's got LEDs on it as well, so a nice bit of flash. You can change the height. I'm 6'6", so obviously I need that full range. It does use 2 AAAs in the handset, but then you've got a rechargeable battery for the actual unit itself. So you won't go through those batteries quickly, but then obviously you've got a rechargeable for the bottom bits. So that's always handy. So let's just get into it. On just a quick note, the box feels very nice, matte box, which, yeah, I'm a fan of that, liking that. Now one thing you will notice, because I have been using this, not in the sense of like using it on the floor, but I've been doing some B-roll and stuff with it. That's why it's not all in the packaging, so just bear in mind all the bits will come in a bag or covered when you get it yourself. So take away this bit of foam. Here we go. So these are 2 of the pads. There's 2 more that are on the actual unit itself that I'll show you in a moment. So these are replaceable, washable. You can get them separately on the website as well should you want to get some more. But they, you can wash them, so you shouldn't have to get any for a long time. Instructions, as you'd expect. You've got a little measuring cup, so you can measure your water or your actual cleaning liquid to pour into the actual device. Handle. Now all these things obviously come bagged. So on here you've got a button to spray some of the liquid, and then obviously you've got a power button as well. Now once that's connected up, it will actually activate. Then in there your AA battery compartment, your AAA battery, sorry, not AA's. Moving on, we've got the power adapter to obviously charge the device, the extension for height adjustment. Me, I'm just going to be going straight out to the maximum, I know that, even without using it. And then the actual device itself, and a battery. Should have probably looked out for that. It does come with a connector on there as well, so you didn't actually have to plug it into the unit. You can do that just in a corner or something in your room or your house, in a cupboard or something, so you don't actually have to have it attached to the whole thing. So should you want to keep this tucked away when you're not using it, it's not going to be a big bulky thing when you want to charge the battery. Underneath here, before we get to the actual unit itself, we have got the other pads that I said about, nice blue ones. So let's get rid of this and then get onto the actual unit itself. So on the very top, obviously where you're going to put your water in, it's got a nice little stopper on, and as I have said, you can use the pre-made floor cleaning solutions or just water, so that's very convenient. Now underneath is where you're going to put obviously your pads on. Let's demonstrate. It's so easy, like that, and then that's good to go. For the battery, there's a little catch on there to make sure it's not going to come out, so when you take it out you just literally pull that lever back and then that will release it. But we'll just keep that in for now. You see the nice LEDs on there, just has lit up to indicate that, you know, it's detected the battery. So I'm going to keep this down short because obviously I want to try and demonstrate to you guys without, you know, we're trying to do it on the desk as best I can. So literally just goes in and clips together. It's ever so simple. And there we go, just literally press. I can talk over it as well, so it is very quiet. And it's just a literal case of just, you know, let the device do the work. So don't like be like this with it, be like, going like this, just literally just let it, you know, move around. So these pads can do 250 RPM, which is enough to do 20 square meters of floor per minute. So if you've got a massive house, you know, it's really not going to take much time at all. Now, one thing you may have noticed, the LED is on the front, there is a little button on the side here that you can press to actually turn it off. And obviously you use your foot on that, but I'm sat down, so obviously I'm not going to do that. So then once you've finished, you can literally just do that, or you can obviously turn it off there and then turn it off there. So super convenient. And one thing you may notice on the top camera is you've got, you know, flexibility there as well. So should you be going under tables or chairs and things like that, you do have, you know, degree of motion, so you can easily kind of get under there without having to make life difficult and, you know, go flat. So that's always handy to have as well. So if you're thinking what can you actually do with this in terms of what can you clean, I'm going to put some promotional video over this one so you can get a better idea. You can get away crayon marks if you've got kids and they're scribbling all over floors, then ease of use for this thing and the things you can clean just makes your life a lot easier. So we'll put the website link for this down in the description box below if you want to have a look. Now currently they're selling these for £249, which some people may think that's a little bit steep, but I've worked in retail where I mop floors countless times, and one of these I'd happily pay that for making life easier and not having to do it manually with a you know, mop and bucket, because that stuff takes a long time. So, you know, if I had the option to use one of these over that, hands down any day of the week. So let me know what you think down below. Let's get a little discussion going. I'll hang about in the comments and answer any questions you guys might have as well. Yeah, let me know what you think. I think it's pretty cool. Adding a little bit more tech into something that's pretty much a boring thing to do, mopping the floor, but this kind of spices it up a little bit and makes your life easier. So I think it's pretty nifty. So thank you for watching this. Links down in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video and you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one.